Hello developers. Today I am going to explain about how to transfer data from one component to another component. So firstly we want to know the difference between component to component. Means if I want to transfer the data from parent component to child, I should use at the rate input. Or else if I want to transfer the data from child component to parent component, I can use at the rate output. So today I will explain about at the rate input. So firstly I am taking parent component data. See here, this is the parent component data. I am passing this data to child component. How can we do that? Watch here. Name is the parent component value I want to pass. See, name. This value I am assigning to one variable. Means I am doing property binding. If you did not know property binding string interpolation, please check my videos. I will give in detail in the description. Transfer data. So this transfer data I can use at the rate input. For example, if I did not import before this at the rate input, we can import here from Angular core. Then that name transfer data colon, this is string, right? So string I will pass. So we want to print this transfer data, right? By using string interpolation I can print. See, then we can save all the components whatever we are used. Then we can run Control C. Yes, why? Because this Control C, previously if we run this project, it will automatically come back, and CLS to clear all the data. Then npm start. So this is the URL to run. Localhost 4200. See, localhost 4200. If we did not save any files, this error will come. I saved all the files. So see, parent component data. If I modify here, see here also it will change. So we can pass the data from parent component to child component like this way. So currently I am passing string. If I want to pass numbers, similarly here. Number is not assignable to string. Why? Because here I am adding string type. So we can declare as colon So if we declare number here, immediately we can declare any value. So currently I am passing the data to child component. So at present we can mention undefined, or if you don't know the type, we can mention simply any, like this. If this is TypeScript feature, if we don't know the type, we can mention any. So see, I think we did not save properly. (23) on this HTML component, on this child component TS file, and child component HTML file. Now we can see 23. See, numbers we can pass like this. Similarly, boolean, undefined, string, null, everything we can pass like that only. But if I want to pass functions, we can use in Angular 19 we can pass like this. In TS file here we can use curly braces transform, that function name, whatever function we want to use. For example, I want to reverse any string, so we can use, I am using reverse string method. Here instead of transform data I can use label. So this reverse string, out of this class I am using function here. Inside this class means inside this export we can't use, it will give issues. This is Angular 19th feature. So I am passing one string from here. Hello learners area. I am splitting this learners area. Return. This is the variable, right? We are storing that parent component data. Label dot, we are splitting it. Split dot reverse, we are reversing it. Then that splitted data we can combine, we need to join. So here it is giving issue. if I make question mark, if this value is undefined, at that time it there is no issue if we write if we add question mark. Now we can see parent component and child component, all the values I saved. This label name I need to pass here, right? By using string interpolation we should display. Now see, think we did not say it did not. We should save all the components properly, otherwise it will give issue. App component ts file, app component html file, child component ts file, child component html file. I think here only the issue. Name, transfer data. See, transfer data we did not taken anywhere. For this label we have taken. Again ts file, html file, ts file, html file. Control S we can do. Now see, reverse. Hello learners area. If any interviews, if they wrote means reverse any program, we can use like this. Means you can pass the data from parent component to child component. By using child component data you can reverse like this. If any interviewer asks question, you can simply write this functionality. This is one of the feature in Angular 19. We can pass the function directly in @input. Second thing is alias, means currently see here we are not able to use reverse string. So if I use alias here, alias colon, for example I am passing one name slider. This slider also I can utilize here. You need to save all the components. ts file, html file, ts file, again HTML file. See, TS parent component data. Like this way we can transfer the data from parent component to child component by using @import. If you have any doubts in this video, comment me. If you like this video, please share, subscribe. Thank you.